Hello my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching. Today we will be starting with exercise 14.2, sum number 2-1. Here you are asked to factorize the given expression. As you can see, by saying this expression, one thing must click into your mind that we have two terms here and we have p square, q square. So you need to think whether you can write 4 as a square of a number or not. So 4 can be written as 2 square and here we have p square. We have minus, that is the separator right as it is. 9 can be written as 3 into 3, that is 3 square. And here we have q square. So as you can see, this 2 square p square can be written as 2p the whole square. Then the separator minus 3 square q square can be written as 3q the whole square. So we can compare the given expression with this identity, that is a square b square, where a is 2p and b is 3q. So we can write it as a plus b, a minus b. So here a plus b means 2p plus 3q and a minus b means 2p minus 3q. So we can write 4p square minus 9q square as a plus b, a minus b, that is 2p plus 3q and 2p minus 3q, which is our final answer. So let us start with the next sum. Here also you can see we have two terms, that is 63a square and 112b square. And here we have a square, b square. That means we can relate to the identity a square minus b square. But 63 and 112 is not a square of any number. So let us find out whether 63 and 112 is divisible by a number or not. As you can see, both the numbers are divisible by 7. 7 9s are 63 and 7 16s are 112. So 63 can be written as 7 into 9a square as it is, minus here we can write 7 into 16b square. So we are going to take 7 common. So we will get 9a square here minus 16b square here. So now as you can see here, 9 can be written as 3 into 3, that is 3, and a square as it is, minus 16 can be written as 4 into 4, that is 4 square into b square as it is. So here we can rewrite this as 7 into 3a the whole square minus 4b the whole square. So now within this bracket, as you can see, this term can be written using the identity a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. But here the value of a is 3a and here the value of b is 4b. So let us rewrite this. We will write 7 as it is and within the bracket we will write a plus b, that is 3a plus 4b, and again we need to write 3a, this time minus 4b. Let us start with the next sum. Here as you can see, we have 49a square minus 36. So here also we have two terms, and here 49 can be written as 7 into 7, that is 7 square, and we have here a square, minus we have 36. 36 means 6 into 6, that is 6 square. So you can write 7 square a square, that is the first term, as 7a the whole square minus 6 square. Now as you can see, we can compare this given expression with the identity a square minus b square, where the value of a is 7a and the value of b is 6 by comparing with this expression. So we can write this given expression as a plus b, where a is 7a and b is 6, multiplied by 7a minus 6, that is a minus b, which is our final answer. Now let us start with the next sum. Here also as you can see we have two terms. One is 16x to the power 5, another one is 144 into x to the power cube. 16 can be written as 4 into 4, that is 4 square, and we have x to the power 5, and here the separator is minus, so right as it is we have 144, that is 12 into 12, so 12 square, and x to the power cube. So now as you can see, by comparing the identity a square minus b square, we cannot write it because here the power of x are odd, and we can take x common from both the terms. So take x to the power 3 common because minimum x to the power 3 is there in both the terms. So take x to the power 3 common. So we will be left with 4 square here, and from this 5 we have taken 3x, that means we will be left with x to the power square, minus we are left with 12 square here because we have taken the whole x to the power cube. So we can rewrite this as x to the power cube outside the bracket, and within the bracket we have 4 square x square, that can be written as 4x the whole square, minus we have here 12 square. Now we will write x cube as it is. Now within the bracket we can compare this with the identity a square minus b square, where the value of a is 4x and the value of b is 12. So we can write it as a plus b, a minus b, but here value of a will be 4x and the value of b will be 12. So 4x plus 12 once, another one time 4x minus 12. So this is our final answer here. Now let us start with the next sum. Now by comparing the identity, now let us start with the next sum. L plus m the whole square minus L minus m the whole square. So here we can compare with the identity a square minus b square. Now comparing with the identity a square minus b square, we can write the value of a as L plus m here and the value of b as L minus m here. Now we can write the given expression as a plus b into a minus b. So here the value of a is L plus m, plus here we need to write L minus m, that is the value of b once, multiplied by, we need to write the value of a, that is L plus m, and now we need to minus b, that is L minus m. Now if we solve the first bracket here, we will get here L plus m, here we have plus L minus m. So this is the first one. Into we have the next, that is
L plus M, and here we have minus. So minus into plus L, you will get minus L. This minus and this minus, after multiplying we will get plus. So plus M. Now further solving, you will find here this M and this M will be cancelled. So we will get 2L here into here this L and this L will be cancelled. So we will get here 2M. Now further multiplying, we will get 2 into 2, that is 4, and L into M. So this is our final answer. So let us start with next sum. Here also we have two terms. One is 9x square y square and another one is 16. And here separator is minus. So we can write 9 as 3 into 3, that is 3 square. After that we have x square, y square. We have written as it is. Minus 16 can be written as 4 into 4. So we can write 16 as 4 square. Now we can write 3 square x square y square as 3xy the whole square. Minus we have 4 square. Now by comparing a square minus b square with the given expression, here a is 3xy and b is 4 here. So we can write this a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus. So we can write this given expression as a plus b into a minus b. But here a is 3xy plus b is 4 here. Again we need to write 3xy, this time minus b, that is minus 4. So this is our final answer. Students, listen very carefully. This sum is very important. Here we have x square minus 2xy plus y square, and here separately minus z square. We have to make this one in a way that it becomes a square of a number, and we have minus z square, that is a square minus b square form. So if we just look at this particular expression, we can compare it with the expression that is a minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if we compare, here a is x and here b is y. So we can write this expression or this expression as a minus b the whole square, where a is x and b is y. So we can write this as x minus y the whole square, and we can write this minus z square as it is. I think it is clear to you. So I have rewritten everything. So hence in place of this we can write x minus y the whole square and minus z square as it is. Now if we look at this expression, we can compare with the identity, that is a square minus b square, where a is x minus y and b is z. So we can write it as a plus b and a minus b. So here a is x minus y plus b, that is z once, and another one time x minus y, that is a minus b, that is minus z. So this is our final answer here. So let us start with the next sum. This sum is also important. Here we have a square as the variable. Here we have b square, here we have bc, here we have c square. So if we take all these terms together, we can form a minus b the whole square or a plus b the whole square, as this one is 5 square and into a square. So let us try to make it. So here this 25a square can be written as 5 square into a square, that is 5a the whole square. Now if we take this minus common, then this 4b square will be there here, and here plus we have taken minus common, so this will be minus 28bc, and this one we have taken minus common, and this is also minus, so sign will change, so it will become plus. So here 49c square, right as it is. Here we have 5a the whole square, right as it is. Here 4b square, 4 can be written as 2 square, so 2 square b square, you can write it as 2b the whole square, minus we have 28bc, we will be writing this afterwards. Here we have 49 is 7 square and c square, 7c the whole square. Now if we look at this is a square minus something plus b square. So let us fill this gap with 2ab. So here 2 into a is 2b, into c is 7c. So if we just calculate it, we are getting here it is 28bc. So our assumption is correct. So we can write this as 5a the whole square as it is, minus this one is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that can be written as a minus b the whole square. But here a is 2b and b is 7c. So 2b minus 7c the whole square. Now if we look at this particular expression given, we can compare it with the expression a square minus b square. So now comparing this given expression with the identity a square minus b square, here a is 5a and b is 2b minus 7c. So first we will write a plus b, that is 5a is the a, plus b, that is 2b, minus 7c is the b here, multiplied by a, that is 5a, now minus b, and here b is 2b minus 7c. So this is our final answer.